Karibuni sana kila mtu. I want to do another video. The song is Umeweka Wimbo Kinywani Mwangu. That's the song. Wewe uke. That is the song. Now, I have a beat here. This is 6/8. If you want such kind of beat, you can inbox me. That's the number there. This is all that we want to do. That's the song. If by cameraman you can come closer a little bit, so that you may show people what we are doing. Now, wewe uketi, wewe. I believe that you have watched my videos and you are conversant with the number system and lesson 1 that I've been teaching you. I believe that you know number system. So the song is starting here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Starting that kind of it is starting from F sharp all the way to this is A sharp. Look at those notes. That is B. Finishing with our diminished chord. Sifa izi fike wapi kitini pako. You can see the diminished chord. And number 5. Wimbo kawe Manukato. Alright? Acha niende pole pole. Wewe uketi juu ya vyote, sifa hizi zifike kitini pako. Wimbo kawe Manukato. That's how it is. So let's do it now. Well,